someone to save me. No, and don't come running and blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you a nighttime summer routine for both Sydney and I. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Hayley. I am a single mom to my 3-year-old daughter, and I love to cook. I love doing all kinds of lifestyle and motherhood videos on my channel, so I would love it if you would subscribe for more videos and make sure your notifications are turned on. Let's jump into today's video. So first and foremost, I am sharing with you this quinoa bowl recipe. I love quinoa bowls. I share them a ton, but this one is a little bit different than any one that I've shared before. So I'm starting off making some quinoa, and I just like to boil it in chicken stock. And I also have some sweet potatoes roasting in the oven. The dressing for this is what makes it, in my opinion. I am making a lemon garlic aioli type of a dressing. I am using garlic cloves, lemon juice, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and then a little splash of water to make it drizzly, like a drizzly texture. I ended up using 3 cloves of garlic and a juice of a half a lemon. It was a little garlicky, so maybe you only want to do like 1 or 2 cloves, but it was really delicious because I love garlic, but I'm just warning you. That is what I ended up doing. And then probably like, I don't know, 1/3 of a cup of mayo, maybe a little bit more. You just eyeball it. And then I blended this up in my magic bullet, and it was so good, you guys.
When you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are.
I also forgot to mention, of course, you saw me grilling up some chicken. I love using my George Foreman. It just takes a few minutes for perfectly grilled, juicy chicken, and I just seasoned that with salt and pepper. And then I also added on this one a soft-boiled egg. I actually have never made a soft-boiled egg before, but it only takes a few minutes to boil, and then you have a perfectly soft-boiled egg for a quinoa bowl. It was so yummy, you guys. I also drizzled this, of course, with the lemon garlic aioli, and then topped it with a little bit of cilantro.
Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. For a second, yeah, you're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you.
Ouchie! Can't see me outside!
Mama finished her second bowl, and little girl pushed her, sorry, I thought I had food in my face. Little girl pushed her little chair next to Mama so we could sit and eat together. After dinner, I try my hardest to put the dishes away and wash anything by hand, but put them in the dishwasher at least. It does not happen all the time. You guys know, you've seen my nighttime routines before. You've seen my nighttime cleaning and my 1-hour cleaning video I just posted. But I do try my hardest because it makes my life so much better after I put Sydney to bed to not have to just clean my crazy busy kitchen. So that is what I'm doing right now, just kind of cleaning up after dinner.
I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are. Take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
Sydney and I enjoyed a little summertime treat that you will be seeing in a video very soon. It is so yummy and so easy, you guys. I can't wait to share all these recipes with you. But yeah, Sydney and I decided to have a little snack before her bath time. Tell me how it is.
Yummy. It's yummy. And now my mama.
It is yummy. So every evening I like to rinse Sydney off since she battles eczema in the summertime from heat, sweat, bug spray, all of the above. So this night was actually a regular bath with soap. Most nights are just rinsing with cool water. If you have an eczema child, you know soaps can irritate eczema. So anyway, but tonight was a normal bath, so I went on a rant for no reason.
In the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in. By you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get... Every nighttime routine video, I swear I do this with her, and now look, she's like my size. You're so big. Why'd you get so big? So we are still at a 7 o'clock bedtime. Sometimes I'm a little bit more lenient and it ends up being around 7:30. And then I still give her a cup of milk, but she's kind of dwindling down from having milk at night. It just has been a routine forever, so she doesn't drink a ton at night anymore. So I normally give her some throughout the day as well. And then I do lotion her every single morning and evening, and sometimes in the middle of the day as well, with this Aveeno eczema cream lotion, and it's been working really well. Her eczema is actually pretty much gone. The only time that it arises is if we have a particularly hot, sweaty day where there's a lot of bug spray being worn. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around. Whenever you're around. Look at the sink. Spit in the sink. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go. All right, kiddo, pick out 2 books, okay?
Yeah. How about can you get books where you sit on a rocking chair? That'd be a good idea. Sit on a rocking chair. Okay?
So I've pretty much done the same exact thing with Sydney since she was very, very little, where we do 2 books at bedtime, sing a song, do prayers, and tuck her into bed. I have started to try to make myself make my life a little easier. I bring her a cup of water to have by her bedside, as well as a tissue, piece of toilet paper, whatever it is. She seems to always need water or tissue if I don't give it to her, and I know it's not that she actually needs it. It's just her thing. She's very particular. So trying to get her all situated and set up while she picks out 2 books for me to read.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet.
Yeah, you have to go, buddy?
Be into myself and sit in silence.
After we read the 2 books for Sydney, I usually ask her to go potty, and then I have to sing a lullaby to her, and then she always chooses which one. It is always Hush Little Baby though, or it's always a long lullaby, which I love because I was always wanting my mom to sing to me when I was little. So after we do the lullaby, we say our prayers and kiss goodnight. She usually tells me a story or what she's grateful for the day. And then that is it for Sydney's nighttime routine. She still sleeps with her white noise machine on. I'm actually really curious if your children sleep with a noise machine. Did they ever outgrow it? Did you ever stop using it? Or is she just going to use it forever? Don't really know what to do with that situation. I guess it doesn't bother me. I was just curious to know. And then the first thing I do is usually clean up the yard. If Sydney has any toys outside or anything that we played with, I do pick it up. I live in an association and just motivates me to keep my yard clean because I don't want to get scolded. Sydney has this random collection of shells from the ocean whenever we go, but these are her treasures and this is where they live, even though, it's driving me nuts. I keep them here for her, so I'm just picking those all up and then moving my herbs and my tomato plants, etc. all around. We are having our place painted, so everything was kind of scattered all over the yard to avoid the painters.
Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Nights for me depend on whether I'm editing a video or not. This night, obviously, I am editing this video that you are seeing right now. So it's 10:30 and I'm still doing the voiceover. So actually, I'm about to stop editing and then go take my shower for the evening. And I will kind of walk you through my super simple, nighttime shower beauty. I don't really have a beauty routine right now, but my summer easy routine.
Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much.
So this is not a typical evening, but I am in maintenance mode on my laser hair removal for my armpits and my chin hairs. So that is what I am doing right now. I still have my code active for $50 off. I will have the link in the description box if you guys are interested. Totally love this so much. I have no chin hair now and my armpit hair. I admittedly had slacked in the beginning, so it took a little longer, but it's so amazing, you guys. So that is what I am doing now. And then I'm putting on my eyelash serum. Whenever I remember and try to remember, I use the Grande Lash Serum, and I love it so much. I'm always getting compliments on my lashes. And you guys are always asking what mascara I'm using. I promise it's the serum that is doing that. And then I am going in with the Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Mask. I've been absolutely loving this again. I used to love it so much, but I've been loving it and reaching for it a lot. I do sleep in this mask, and then I wake up and you can wash your face right off or just leave it kind of into your skin. And my skin is so hydrated when I wake up and just looks nice and bouncy and youthful. Even in the summer, I need hydration for my skin. And I am putting in some of this Olaplex conditioner for my hair. If you guys are new to my channel, I do have hair extensions, so I do have to be careful with kind of, I don't know, how I maintain them and just keep them healthy, because I want them to last me forever because they cost a lot of money. Anyway, that is going to do it for my beauty routine or any sort of beauty thing going on.
I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes.
So it is past midnight at this point, and I, if it wasn't filming, definitely would have probably been done by 11, but you know, filming and editing and whatnot took me a little longer than expected. So I'm going to bed. I am going to quickly clean up Sydney's like stuffed animals and just throw them in her playroom so I don't have to wake up to that in the morning. But then I'm calling it quits because I am exhausted. I typically would not go to bed with my hair wet, but life happens sometimes. So I know you guys enjoy the realness anyway and can totally relate to me on a lot of aspects. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will talk to you in the next video. Stay tuned for those recipes to come. Bye guys.
Like we had